Welcome to CES 2018. I'm Anthony, and I'm here at the LeddarTech Ecosystem Pavilion. Today, I'm going to take you through a series of interviews with Leddar ecosystem partners to see what's happening in Las Vegas. Let's go. Mark, thank you so much for joining me today. So tell me a little bit about what your company is showing off at CES this week.
Sure. We're showing off our new R-Car V3M system-on-a-chip processor.
Our 8-line 940 nanometer VCSEL arrays that are used as the illumination for LeddarTech's LiDAR system.
We've been in the automotive industry for about 5 decades now, providing windshield washer systems to the industry.
Is kind of our infrared solution when it comes to kind of scanning of fruits, where you kind of get the information, is the food gone or is there a high level of sugar in? Then we kind of also show kind of new lighting systems where you can blind out kind of the driver which is approaching you. And we have also kind of solutions which are around infrared and kind of the future of LiDAR will look like.
So Optis is a software simulation company. We are specializing in sensor and lighting simulations.
So Hamamatsu is an optical electronic component provider. We make a suite of detectors, light sources, and mirrors for enabling technologies such as what LeddarTech has designing and using.
Autonomous Stuff is a global leader in providing products, engineering services, and state-of-the-art software to the entire autonomous driving industry.
So what you're showcasing at our stand is basically the LC2, the LiDAR processing unit.
Sure. So tell me about the Leddar ecosystem and what your role is in it.
So the LiDAR ecosystem has been a really good opportunity to meet other players in this industry, network with them, and find out what they're doing to bring together the entire solution.
Well, I think the ecosystem here at CES is a good representation of how we're going to have to work together, both technically and commercially. Everybody taking a smaller stake and having a meaningful impact.
We bring in all the semiconductor know-how and LeddarTech the LiDAR optical know-how, and it's a perfect fit.
So we have been working in close cooperation with your engineers with a detailed simulation, so where you can use our tool to develop your engineering of your LeddarTech product.
We work together with LeddarTech already for 2 to 3 years and find out that this is a very good company, good technology, good people, and therefore we kind of decided last year to invest in the company, and we're happy have done it. It still takes a couple of years, we find it, but we see kind of more and more interest from investors, from companies, and I'm happy to have the stake in.
But the key components for a successful LiDAR system is the IC, which LeddarTech produce a really nice technology and really reliable technology. For us, our work is really the other half of the equation, is to produce a good hardware component, reliable hardware component that can be driven, that can drive the system to get the accurate range detection and consistent range detection.
So Autonomous Stuff and LeddarTech have been partners for several years now. So we provide engineering services for them, they provide products to us, we help get those products into the customer's hands. So it's really a great mutual partnership.
LeddarTech is, since they're using our processor in their reference design, they're promoting their reference design to the Tier 1 automotive customers. And if the Tier 1 customers decide to adopt that reference design, that the Tier 1 customers would then come to Renaissance to buy those chips.
And CMOS imaging, where do you see it going in the next year or so?
So CMOS imaging is complementary to all the other technologies and essentially to the LiDAR technology to provide a robust information, to provide extremely reliable information for the vehicle to have safe and comfortable drive in the future autonomous vehicles.
Certainly the LeddarTech flash LiDAR is something that we believe can be deployed very soon due to the cost effectiveness and the size of the solution.
Solid state LiDARs is the wave of the future. In many representations,
LiDAR is going to become an important technology in this market. There's many other technologies such as radar and as well as camera. They all have its own place in this drive to the autonomous vehicle level 4 and 5 targets for a lot of manufacturers.
It's a very exciting time to be in the industry. So this time at CES, you will see some huge movements with companies like LeddarTech, a lot of companies building things on artificial intelligence, and you will start seeing autonomous driving in real world scenarios, something that the consumer can actually experience.
It's actually integration time. It's about making the systems cheaper, affordable, And at the moment they are large, bulky, spinning thing nobody wants to have on its car. And it's basically an integration game, and what we bring to the part is basically the capability to integrate on a very high, dense level electronic processing parts. And this will make definitely the LiDAR more affordable and actually more usable for everybody. And then it's a no-brainer. Then basically this thing will spread. Straightforward.
Well, it sounds fantastic. We're looking forward to that and more from IDT in the future. Thank you so much, gentlemen, for joining me.
Thank you.